from Kotor, Montenegro to Tirana, Albania. I have my online ticket. This is like one of the biggest and the funniest thing I've ever seen. It's like a scam.
हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। पिछले यूरोप के व्लॉग में हमने घुमा था कोतोर मोंटेनेग्रो में, और आज हम जा रहे हैं वन ऑफ द मोस्ट अंडररेटेड कंट्रीज इन यूरोप। कोतोर से तिराना आने के लिए अराउंड 9 घंटे की बस राइड थी, और पहली बार कुछ नया हुआ कोतोर स्टेशन पे मेरे साथ।
Right now I am leaving from Kotor, Montenegro to Tirana, Albania. I have my online ticket. This is like one of the biggest and the funniest thing I've ever seen. It's like a scam. Like there are a lot of people who bought online ticket like me. We need to buy another ticket called platform ticket, which is another 2.5 euros. That is like the stupidest scam ever. It's like, why?
तो ये जो बंदा है इसको आप देख लो, ये सबसे पैसे कलेक्ट कर रहा है। Something new, and I would say it's more like a scam.
I got into the bus from Kotor, Montenegro to Albania, Tirana at 9:30 a.m. Remember this time, 9:30 a.m. And right now it is 6:15. It took almost 9 hours to get here. Can you believe that? 9 hours. And now my hostel from here is about an hour. I have to take a bus. People are very nice here so far. They helped me find the bus stop, which was probably right there. And I was just walking around because Google Map is stupid here. So don't rely on Google Map. Probably ask people about it.
ये है मेरा हॉस्टल तुफीना। इट इज़ नॉट टू बिग और फैंसी, बट इसका जो चार्जेस है वो एकदम बेस्ट है। आई पेड अबाउट 15 यूरोस पर नाइट विद ब्रेकफास्ट। और द बेस्ट पार्ट ये है कि तुफीना हॉस्टल मेन सिटी सेंटर से अबाउट 5 से 7 मिनट्स की वॉकिंग पे है। तो अभी शाम हो रही है एंड आई डिसाइडेड कि थोड़ा सिटी को एक्सप्लोर करते हैं। और आई हर्ड कि यहाँ पे एक बहुत ही फेमस मस्जिद है, एथहेम बेज मॉस्क। So let's go and explore that too.
Holy moly, it seems like I live very close to the city center, because the mosque is right here, the mosque I was talking about. Look at that beautiful mosque. Wow. Mosque usually looks way cooler in the evening, especially because of the lights and the reflection. But as I walk straight forward from there, there is a huge giant Ferris wheel. Look at that. Who knew that? Oh god. I like this mosque. It's a pretty old style, 18th century style mosque, so I believe it was built at that time. Maybe, not sure. I ruined someone's photo probably. There is a statue, there is a big statue of someone. It's like a Shivaji Maharaj from India, from Maharashtra. Let's go find out who is the Shivaji Maharaj of Tirana, Albania. It's right here. After doing some Google search, I figured out who the guy is on the statue. I think it's the statue. This square, by the way, is called Skanderberg. I hope I'm saying it right. So the statue is also of the guy Skanderberg, and his full name is kind of a little hard to pronounce, but I'll try to say it. So Skanderberg statue is a Skanderberg square. It stands as a proud tribute to Albania's national hero George Kastrioti Skanderberg. That's what it says, which is right here. It's a very famous square. I think that's the square my host from my hostel was telling me to go and check it out in the evening, and I think he was right. Look at that. And I guess on that side there is a DJ and party gonna go happen, like a live concert or something. So that is the setup for that. I wonder why there is no one in the Ferris wheel. Maybe it's not the time yet. tell you my opinion on Albania, Tirana as the first day or first time coming from India or USA or from anywhere, you know. I feel like I had a totally different opinion about Albania. I thought it's gonna be like a super traditional style, you know, like those Islamic traditional style place, but this is so crazy. It's mixed with both actually. So it's traditional plus there is a lot of modern life here. So this whole city is like, it's a mixture of both, you know what I mean? And it's very cheap compared to all the other places, as I said in the beginning also of this video. And yeah, I'm actually liking it. So tomorrow I have my first tour of the city where my guide will explain me a little bit more about this place, but I'm looking forward to it. And I would highly recommend this place. You know, if someone wants to travel to Albania, I think it's safe, good, nice place to come. And all the people are like lively here, they're fun. So apologies for my whatever prejudice or understanding I had before coming here. I should never have it as a traveler. I should always travel with an open mind. But I was thinking something else about Albania when I booked. So that's my opinion about Albania and Tirana, and I think I'm gonna enjoy my time here because the way it looks like, I mean, it feels like it's gonna be a lot of fun here. Now before I like wrap up this video, I gotta tell you two very common scams happen in Europe, especially in the buses. So if you're taking bus in Europe, first of all, they ask you about €2 just to put your bag inside, just to put your luggage inside the bus, you know, like under the bus when you have those luggage area. So they charge you like €2 for that, and you have to pay. There is no excuse. It's like stupid. And today I found another, it's a weirdest kind of like, I don't know if it's a scam or just a way to make money. Was like, so when I was getting the bus, I already had my ticket from online, and then they would come to you and said, if you took online ticket, you have to verify your ticket. So I went there to verify my ticket, and once you verify your ticket, it's good, but then you have to pay €2.20 more, called platform ticket. I'm like, why the fuck is the platform ticket? It's like, nope, you have to pay the platform ticket, especially those who buy tickets online. So I don't know what it is exactly. Maybe you tell me if you had similar experience if you travel to Europe via bus, like all around the Europe via bus. So you can just tell me about it. But I think it's unfair, I felt it, you know. And it's not about Albania, it's like everywhere you go in the bus. Look at this guy, he looks very happy. Hey man, how are you? Give me the first. Hey, you just let me. Come on. He doesn't want to do that. He doesn't know this feast thing. It's okay.
For you.
Thanks, man. There you go. He didn't leave me hanging. Thank you so much.
I'll never do that.
Okay. I think it's not a culture here, so that's fine. Well, that was my first day here so far from all the way my trip from, where am I coming from? Montenegro. I almost forgot where I'm coming from. So from Montenegro to Albania, Tirana, it's been a good time. So far I've been enjoying it other than the bus time. So I hope you guys also enjoy this journey with me. If you did, if you enjoyed the video, give it a like, as you always, you know. And what else I have for you? Yeah, if you have any comments, suggestions, or any complaint about the video or how I make video, write it down. Write down as well in the comment section. And if you're new to the channel and you want to explore with me the Europe, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you again with another exciting video. Until then, my lovely people, do whatever you want to do in life, but don't forget to stay happy. Ciao. Oh, by the way, before I go, I really don't like this look. I hate not being with beard and mustache, so I'm missing it. I shouldn't have cut it, but it was an impulsive decision, so it's coming back and I'm gonna grow it back.